Hello everyone. We are actually in the Waverly model, which is built by Taylor Morrison Homes, and the subdivision is the preserves at Barber Rock in Indian Land, South Carolina. Today I'm going to take you on a wonderful tour of this beautiful Waverly home that features 5 bedrooms. One of the bedrooms is definitely on the main level with a full bath. There are 3 additional bathrooms upstairs. And I'm just gonna take you on this tour so that you can just explore this beauty. The price point of this home starts in the very, very high 500,000s. It can easily go up to $800,000. Let's take the tour. Here I stand in the formal dining room, and I know this is going to be super elegant once my client puts her spin on it because she is a fierce decorator. I cannot wait to come and see what she's done and transform this room into being. But just want to let you know that you have a lot of heavy molding here. The lighting is bright and it will be the perfect piece. This is the sunroom. This is the perfect area where you can just sit, have your coffee, just read your book, meditate, whatever it is that you like to do to get you in the mood for the day ahead of you. This is the space where you can make all of that happen. This right here is the center of the upstairs. This is what you call a loft. This is an open area where it can literally be used as anything you want it to be used at. And I love this area. She has definitely OD'd on the recessed lighting throughout the home. And again, I cannot wait to see what she does with this space. I want you to have the opportunity of meeting my fabulous client. She has been amazing through the entire build of her home. So here we have the lovely Sharon, the homeowner of this beautiful home. Sharon, tell us a little bit about your experience.
So, Tijuana, I cannot tell you enough. God is good.
Yes, he
I
is.
am so grateful to be in this space and to have gone on this journey with you.
Thank you. Same here.
We go back, we have that 6 degrees of separation, and I truly believe God orders your steps, and that's how we got here today. You have been nothing but supportive and extremely professional, which I did not expect anything other. The service level, holding my hand, answering my question, holding my hands through my fits about small things, but extremely knowledgeable about the process, about the products. And I'm just excited. I've been moving for work for 5 years, and this is my landing pad. And you know, excited to be going back into my own space and get my things out of storage, and can't think of a better person or company to have gone on this journey with. So I'm very, very grateful, and I look forward to having you over once I have it furnished and ready to go.
I can't wait. Give me a hug. Love you.